The Career Blueprint is a planning tool for organising your career thinking. When your thinking is organised, you're more clear on the decisions that you need to make, and you're more confident in approaching future employers. People who know themselves fare better in the jobs market. They're more confident about making applications, they're better at negotiations, and they command more salary. The Career Blueprint breaks down your career thinking into 11 parts. We consider your predictors of happiness, your values, how you might live out those values, career ideas, skills journaling, as well as your confidence. And then we look at the more tangible things around your network, information sources, salary expectations. And by the end, we co-create a career action plan to help you understand what you need to do in order to move forward. So all you need to complete the Career Blueprint is a printable copy of the Career Blueprint or a journal or some paper, because we're going to be doing a lot of writing. We're going to get what's in your head down on paper. So let's jump in and make a start.